Hey guys, it's Jess from Skincare.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to find the best cleanser for your skin type at every price point. So if you're on a budget and looking for a cleanser for sensitive skin, we really love the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Cleansing Milk. It's made with rose water and it doesn't have any parabens, dyes, silicones, or sulfates, so you can rest assured that it won't irritate your skin as you're cleansing. If you have a little bit of a higher budget, we recommend the Kiehl's Centella Sensitive Facial Cleanser. This one is formulated with Centella asiatica and without fragrances, which could potentially irritate your sensitive skin. So if you have dry skin, we recommend going for a hydrating cleanser that can wash away impurities without stripping your skin of essential moisture that it needs. If you're on a budget, you could try the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It's formulated with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which is an ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. In addition to cleansing away impurities, it can restore your skin's moisture barrier and make sure that your skin doesn't have that squeaky clean, tight feeling, but is rather hydrated and comfortable with every cleanse. If you're looking for a little bit of a pricier cleanser, we recommend the Kiehl's Cucumber Herbal Conditioning Cleanser. It's formulated with whole cucumbers and glycerin and can cleanse away impurities without stripping away essential moisture. So if you're looking for a cleanser for mature skin, we recommend going for a cream cleanser. That's because as you age, your skin can lose moisture. You could try the L'Oreal Paris Cream Cleanser from their Age Perfect line. It's formulated with nutrients and oils and can replenish moisture on your skin without stripping it away, while also making sure that makeup and impurities are carefully whisked away. Another great option for mature skin is the Lancome Light Galaté Confort. It's a cream cleanser and it's formulated with almond oil and honey. It can gently cleanse the skin while also hydrating it so it's left feeling supple and comfortable. So if you have oily or acne-prone skin, we recommend Acne Free's Blackhead Removing Scrub. This is a fairly new product and it's formulated with 2% salicylic acid, which is a great ingredient for acne-prone skin, as well as charcoal to really attract acne and blackheads while exfoliating the skin to really make sure that your skin is cleansed and purified. So if you have oily skin, you should try Shu Uemura's Cleansing Oil, and that's because when you use an oil on oily skin, like attracts like, and in fact you can help reduce the appearance of oil and make sure that your skin is mattified while also being cleansed.